everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing this last minute and editing last minute and procrastinating last minute because I should have been up earlier, but I kind of slept till 2:30 today. So today I am going to be showing you for my 5-part series how to do Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas. It would have been shock, but I don't have a witch's hat yet. And also I don't have black hairspray, so today I'm going to be showing you how to become Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas for Halloween. And just so that I do not procrastinate any further, thank you so much for watching. I very much appreciate every single view, and I hope you enjoy this look. First thing we're going to do, as always, is grab our favorite white base. You can use a face paint, you can also use a cream makeup, and we're going to cover our full face and a little bit of our neck, anywhere we're going to be putting the stitches. It's going to be easier if you just have a white base, so that's what we're going to do first. Okay, so now that my face and chest is all paled out, I'm going to go in with my Coty Airspun, as always, on my big powder puff that it came with, and go ahead and powder everything. And this will just make it a little bit easier to blend out all of your contours. Also, if you have never seen me put the white base down, you can check in with one of my other 5 videos from this series, or my other 2, and it will go ahead and walk you through the steps of putting on a base. Next, using Ruby Kisses Caribbean Breeze, I'm going to put all my light contouring in. You're going to go darker with this, but you just want to make it look like she is a very, very light blue color. Nice. So once that's all finished up, you see I have a very, very light contouring. I'm going to go in and do my nose. Now her nose is very slender and very pointed. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put pretty thick blue here, and then I'm going to go in and cut that with the foundation color afterwards. And then right after that, I'm taking a deeper blue color and I'm going to just go right along that edge. Now starting with her eyes. So basically what we're going to do is, because she has very wide doll-like eyes, we are going to extend the eye just a little bit by putting eyeliner on and then dragging it up into a cat wing and coming around. You're going to have a very harsh and deep contour around the actual eye bag itself, the new one you're going to create, and that's going to be in all blues. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that now. Back in with that deep blue again that you used to contour the nose. Go right in the crease. Alright, now I'm going to go in with a small brush here and go in with the same blue, the white, and I'm going to cut the crease. Now you want to make this look like you have very wide and doll-like eyes. I'm actually going to be using Poodle from the Natural Love palette. And I'm just going to put a little bit on my finger. See, it's nice and pretty. If you need to, you can go over with that little brush again and just sweep that color back on. If you accidentally wiped any off or if you made any mistakes, like so. And then what we're going to do is line the eye, bring it up into a small cat eye, and then drag it all the way around to meet that white. Okay, and the last thing we're going to do for the eyes, take that brush, get some of the black or the dark blue, blend the white and the dark blue, like so. Enhance the crease if you want just a little. And then take black and fill in that inner corner, or the outer corner, where the liner is. And drag it a little bit up into the crease. And if you want, a little bit into the bottom as well. And essentially, after mascara and lashes, her eyes are done. Alright, so next thing we're going to do, as you can see, I put on bottom lashes and I put on mascara on my top lashes. I'm not going to go do that whole big thing. But so next we're going to do is her stitches. So Sally is a rag doll. And from what I can see on her picture, she has one coming straight down like this. She has some on and around her lips. So basically I'm going to use the same blue with the same brush. This is nice because you only have one brush. And take a little bit and just drag it down to show yourself where you are going to go ahead and put those stitches at. So you just drag that. So she'll have one there on the corner of her mouth. So now take your face paint or eyeliner one more time. I'm using my cake liner I always do by Wolf. And go ahead and draw your line straight through the middle of where you had put that shading. Beautiful. You are almost done. Are you excited?
I said